If you're thinking about buying MyCardWallet, there are 12 important things you should know before making your decision. This iPhone app has some standout features, but how does it stack up against the competition? Let's get into it. First thing to know is that MyCardWallet is designed to help you manage your finances easily by keeping all your credit, debit, and loyalty cards in one digital wallet. The user-friendly interface makes it easy to add and organize cards, but compared to other apps like Apple Wallet or Google Pay, it's not as universally accepted at all merchants just yet. Still, if you're looking for a simple way to consolidate your physical cards, it works well. Next thing you should be aware of is security. MyCardWallet uses encryption and biometric authentication to protect your card information. But, unlike other apps that offer additional layers like two-factor authentication, it doesn't go that far. So you'll want to be cautious about storing sensitive data here. The third thing is how it handles transactions. While MyCardWallet offers basic features like tracking spending, it's not as robust as apps like Mint or YNAB. You need a budget. Those competitors have much more detailed budget tracking and reporting, so if you're serious about managing your finances, MyCardWallet may not be enough. Now, let's talk about the fourth thing, card syncing. MyCardWallet can sync with your bank accounts and credit cards, but it doesn't automatically update transactions in real time like some other apps, meaning you'll need to manually input some information. This can be a deal breaker if you're looking for an app with smooth automatic updates. The fifth thing is customer support. MyCardWallet provides support via email, but it doesn't have 24/7 chat support like some of its competitors. If you're someone who values immediate help, that could be a downside. The sixth thing to consider is the app's design. MyCardWallet has a minimalist approach, which is great for users who want a clean interface, but if you need more customization options, you might find the design a bit limiting. Compared to other finance apps, MyCardWallet is pretty basic in terms of personalization. Seventh thing, while it's free to download, MyCardWallet has premium features that require a subscription. If you're used to getting most of your finance features for free, this could be a downside, especially considering the competition like Mint, which is free for the majority of its core functions. The eighth thing is its compatibility with other apps and services. MyCardWallet works with some third-party apps, but it's not as integrated as Apple Pay or Google Pay. This could be an issue if you're used to having your finance apps talk to each other seamlessly. The ninth thing to note is the lack of investment tracking. Unlike apps like Personal Capital, MyCardWallet doesn't offer tools to track your investments or retirement accounts. If you're looking for an all-in-one financial solution, this is a key difference. Now the 10th thing, location-based services. One of the features MyCardWallet boasts is the ability to track card usage based on location, but it's not as advanced as some of the competitors in this space, like Revolut, which offers more detailed location and spending features. 11th thing to know, if you're a frequent traveler, MyCardWallet might not be as useful for you as other apps like Revolut or Wise. These apps offer more specialized features for international transactions, such as currency conversion and fee-free foreign withdrawals. MyCardWallet lacks these advanced tools. Lastly, the 12th thing to consider is the user reviews. While many users report a good experience, some have mentioned issues with syncing cards or the app freezing. While these seem to be isolated incidents, it's always worth checking recent reviews before committing. In conclusion, MyCardWallet is a solid option if you're looking for a basic way to store and manage your cards, but if you're after more advanced financial tracking, better integrations, or more security options, you might want to explore some other options. For a better all-around financial management app, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.